Hello everyone. Let's look at steps to disable the drag tray and the drag to snap flyout from the top of the screen on Windows 11. So by default, when you drag a window to the top of the screen, you're going to see a flyout that allows us to snap apps on the screen. Now, if you just select a file and then as you move the mouse, you're going to notice at the top another flyout, which is known as the drag tray, and as you move it to the top, you're going to see this option, so you can drop and send this particular item with different apps. If we drop it right here, more options, that opens the interface to share items on Windows 11. Now, if you don't use any of these experiences and you don't want any flyouts popping up from the top of the screen, this is what you do. Open Start and look for Settings. Then let's go to System, and from here we're going to go to Nearby Sharing. From this page, you will notice that we have a drag tray option, and we just need to turn it off. Now, this option is available starting with the December 2025 update for Windows 11. So now, once that's disabled, if we try to drag a file to the top of the screen, we're going to see that the flyout is no longer available. Now, to disable the drag to snap layout, we need to go to the Settings app also, and then from System. In this case, we need to go to Multitasking, and from here, we need to click on Snap Windows, and then we need to turn off the Show Snap Layouts when I drag a window to the top of the screen. Once you do that, if we try to drag a window to the top of the screen, you're going to see that the flyout is no longer available. However, you can still access the Snap Layouts menu by hovering over the Maximize button. It is important to note that this option has been available for a while, so you don't need to have the latest version of Windows in order to see this option. And that's it. That is how you disable the drag tray and the drag to snap flyout from the top of the screen on Windows 11. Remember to leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, like the video, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.